In this video, we are going to melt Nmap like chocolate with 4 another tools. It's very exciting tools. Our first tool is. Let's get information about RustScan with our virtual assistant Dhruv.
Okay, boss. RustScan, the speed king. What is RustScan? RustScan is an ultra-fast port scanner written in the Rust programming language, designed to be blazingly fast, memory-safe, and developer-friendly. It doesn't try to be a full Nmap replacement, but focuses on discovering open ports insanely fast, and then optionally passes those results to Nmap for detailed service detection. Key features: speed, scans up to 65,535 ports in under 3 seconds on localhost. Smart automation, automatically runs Nmap after scanning. Custom scripting, you can define what happens after open ports are found. Clean CLI UX, modern terminal output with color and clarity. Safer, built with Rust, which is memory safe and less prone to bugs.
Dhruv, stop. Now, let's see how to install RustScan in your system. I want to tell you one thing. RustScan is very compact. You no need heavy system requirements. You will be use this tool inside your smartphone using Termux application. Install the Termux applications. Installation link is in description. Open the Termux application and type these two commands, pkg update and pkg upgrade. I had done already. Also, I want to tell you one thing. Installation process of RustScan, it is very simple. Type a pkg install RustScan. Done. Let's use the RustScan with Nmap. See the output, it's very quick. Our second tool is the installation process on the GitHub. Information, it supports for only Linux, Mac and Docker. Not available for Android. Let's install the Naabu tool inside your Linux system. Open virtual machine, Kali Linux inside of the virtual machine. You want to be dedicated video on how to set up virtual environment inside your Windows system. Comment down, I will be definitely create a video on it. Let's use the Naabu for scanning. Open the terminal and type the command naabu/host nmap.org. We are scanning the website name nmap.org. Scanning the website of Nmap, it is legal. It have permission to scan. Now, I want to tell you one story. Think about it. You are a freelancer. You get a client owns big website. For that, you have the mass of thing for scanning. What will you use you? I suggest you Masscan. This is tool for scanning mass kind of websites and finding vulnerabilities inside of the website. Let's get some information about Masscan with our AI virtual assistant Dhruv.
Masscan, the internet scale scanner. What is Masscan? Masscan is a high-performance TCP port scanner capable of scanning the entire internet in minutes. It's written in C by Gordon Lyon, same creator as Nmap, and is designed for speed over detail. Masscan doesn't try to detect services or OS. It only tells you what IPs have which ports open, but does it faster than any other scanner on the planet. Key features: fastest scanner in the world, capable of scanning the full IPv4 space in under 6 minutes. Custom TCP IP stack, bypasses kernel networking, can spoof IP addresses. Highly customizable, choose ports, ranges, scan rates, and more. Massive scale scanning, handles millions of IPs easily. Firewall evasion, flexible TTL, source port, and banner config. Installation.
Stop Dhruv. Now, let's see how to install Masscan inside of your Linux system. First of all, I want to tell you something. Git and GCC make it will be installed inside our Linux system. They have a very simple command: sudo apt install git gcc then make. Its installation is completed. Now second command is git clone https. Also GitHub link is in description. Paste the GitHub link and hit enter. You see the directory name Masscan. Then type the command make. Copy your IP. Let's start the scanning the Masscan. It's very simple. Sudo Masscan, then your IP 24, then port 80. It's very quick scanning. Then our next tool is, first of all, get some information about Zmap with our virtual assistant Dhruv.
It's okay, boss. Zmap, the academic grade internet scanner. What is Zmap? Zmap is a lightweight, open source network scanner developed by researchers at the University of Michigan. It's designed to scan the entire IPv4 address space extremely fast, just like Masscan, but with academic rigor, modularity, and extensibility. It scans one port across many hosts extremely efficiently, making it ideal for global internet studies, research, census projects, and vulnerability exposure analysis. Key features: single port, massive scale scans across millions of IPs. Statistical scanning support, useful for random sampling. Modular framework, extendable for banner grabbing, start TLS, etc. Repeatable scans, supports reproducible research scans, used in real-world research, e.g. heartbleed, Mirai studies, IoT risk assessments. Installation, Ubuntu Debian.
Stop, Dhruv. Now, let's install Zmap inside of your system. It's very simple. Sudo apt install Zmap. Also, you want to be more access of Zmap, GitHub link is in description. Copy the link and paste with git clone. You will get the directory as Zmap make dot command and second make command to use the Zmap, but I could not cover in this video Zmap because Zmap is deserve to one separate dedicated video like Nmap. For that, comment below you want to be video on it. I will be definitely create video. Thanks for watching.